Yon World. We back with another one. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, I want to share how I made $100,000 in 8 months selling digital products through my YouTube channel. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, we're gonna hop straight into how I made $100,000 selling digital products in 8 months only using my YouTube channel. Now all of the results I'm about to show you came directly through my YouTube channel. I haven't paid for YouTube advertising. It just simply came from me making YouTube videos and using this simple trick. Now watch the entire video so y'all can learn this simple trick. I plan on making this video very thorough, very to the point, without any fluff. So to start off, we're gonna hop straight into my PayPal report. You can see we got the data sorted by 2021 right here. Right, this is my PayPal account, and you can see all of the sales I made this year so far. Right now it is August 19th, 2021. Right, and I've generated $62,000 on PayPal alone. Now, how I set up my website, I allow customers to buy using PayPal and Stripe. So that's something you got to remember. You want to sign up on both PayPal and Stripe when you want to run an online business, right? And if we hop right into Stripe, you will see we got it sorted by year to date under the reports, and you can see my gross volume, right? And you can see, my net sales. So net sales were 39,000 from Stripe. My net was 62,000 from PayPal, right? So if you add that up, it's a little over $100,000 that I made in 8 months running this business. Now, how I did this, right? How I did this is I bought a simple website domain. I did have to understand a niche, which was social media marketing. I understood music marketing. This was something I was practicing before I put it out on YouTube. So this is something I knew about, right? But what gave me the idea to do this was when I would talk about it, when I would make videos about it, teaching people how to do this on their own, people would still have trouble and they wanted me to do it for them. So what I did was I created a website, yonworld.org/the Spotify method. And this website allows people to come on here, submit their Spotify link, and I promote their music for them to get them streams, right? And these streams pay them royalties. This business model of a social media marketing agency, the platform I use to fulfill this service, right, has many other different platforms like DatPiff, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pandora, just to name a few. There's so many other niches you could specialize in and provide promotional services for different content creators on these platforms. Now, the website I'm talking about, the website I use to fulfill my services and generate over $100,000, is called justanotherpanel.com. Now, we hop into justanotherpanel.com, you will see my account is in the VIP status. I've spent over $15,000. Right, I spent over $15,000 fulfilling orders on Just Another Panel. But if we go to the very bottom, you can see my total account spending is $30,000. Right. So in order for me to make over $100,000, I had to spend $30,000 in service fees and me delivering the service. So that obviously wasn't spent all at once. It was spent as money came in. This business produces daily sales. A social media marketing agency is in very high demand, and my social media marketing agency isn't even the biggest one. I run 2 different websites, socialmediafarm.net and yonworld.org. But if you were to look up on Google about social media agencies, I wouldn't be the first search result. And I'm still able to generate $100,000 in 8 months. So that should show you, or that should tell you, that this business, this niche, social media marketing, right, promoting social media influencers, and whether that's their music, their Instagram profiles, Facebook profiles, doing this type of work is in very high demand, and it's a lot of different clients that seek these services. Now, before you get started in this, if you are motivated at this point, it takes a lot of work. It do take a lot of work, right? And how I generated all of my traffic was through YouTube. Now, if you search YouTube and you search my channel name, Yon World, and Spotify, right? If you just type in Yon World, you'll start to see already search terms pop up, pre-populated search terms pop up. But one of the ones you're gonna see at the very top is Yon World Spotify, and I've made over 40 different videos, right? Only 40 different. It's probably about 50 videos, to be honest, I made, right? And I put all of these out on YouTube. You can search YouTube and find all of these videos. But how I generated all of my traffic through YouTube was simply putting the link to my website in the description of every single YouTube video. This is how I get all of my traffic. This is how I get all of my clients. This is how I get all of my customers. Now, other businesses, you may have to pay for promotion, right? What made my business different, right, would allow me, which I feel like would allow me to make so much money in a short amount of period of time, was the fact that I provided value. I taught independent artists everything about Spotify. I revealed, how much a stream, how much you get per stream. I revealed all of the hidden secrets about the music industry. I provided a ton of value to independent artists to educate them first. Before I sold them anything, I educated them. And it was actually the audience, it was the comments that motivated me to start this, because I actually started this business November 16th, 2020, right? After reading the comments, because in 2020, the whole year, I was just teaching independent artists about how to make money on their own, right? Without having a label, how to own your masters, how to register your music. All of this you can find. How to upload your videos on Apple Music. How to get on Spotify playlists. I made videos about all of this stuff. I provided a ton of value. And people wanted me to be their manager. People wanted me to promote their music. So I made a done for you service, right? And it's the best service. The thing about it is, I went and I looked at everybody else's prices, right? Knowing where they got it from, I looked at everybody else's prices and I set the best price, right? I set the best price in the market. So my business is continuously seeing sales, is continuously growing. And on this video, I just wanted to go over exactly how I made $100,000, in 8 months using YouTube, right? Selling digital products using YouTube, right? Through 2 different websites. I got the Spotify at the end. I got socialmediafarm.net. You can check out both of these websites. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on post notifications, right? This socialmediafarm.net. Just some of the services I offer. You can see how they look. Real simple. This website, you can just sign right in, create an account. You can also use the API if you wanted to create one of these websites for yourself. The API token is right there. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. That's how I made $100,000 in 8 months using YouTube, selling digital products. Remember, it cost me $30,000 to do this. I didn't pay for any advertisements. That was just the service fees. And I used YouTube videos. All I did was put the link in the description under every YouTube video. I posted constantly. I provided value, and people supported my website. So that's how you do it. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.